Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 error code 0x80004005. One of the most annoying and confusing errors out there. It usually says something like unspecified error, which doesn't tell you much. But don't worry, I am going to break down what causes it and how to fix it step by step. This error can appear in different situations. When you are extracting a file, updating Windows, connecting to a shared folder, or even activating Windows, but in most cases, the root cause is the same. Permission issues, corrupted system files, or blocked processes. So let's go through the most effective fixes one by one. First, if this happens while extracting a zip or RAR file, that's easy to fix. Right-click the compressed file and choose Extract All. Then select a simple location like your desktop. If you still get the same error, try using another tool like 7-zip or WinRAR, and make sure your antivirus isn't blocking the file. Some antivirus programs block archives with certain scripts or permissions, so temporarily disable real-time protection and try again. If you are seeing this error when trying to install or update Windows, the issue is likely with Windows Update components, so let's reset them. Press Windows S, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type these commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. netstop, WUAUSERV. netstop bits, netstop CRYPTSVC. Now restart the services again. netstart, WUAUSERV. netstart bits, netstart CRYPTSVC. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. After that, try running Windows Update again. This fix works in most cases. If you still get the same error, we will run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and under Windows Update, click Run. Let it detect and automatically fix problems related to updates. Sometimes the error happens because of corrupted system files, especially when trying to install updates or programs. To fix that, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and type SFC/Scan now. Let the system file checker scan and repair any corrupted files. After it finishes, run another command DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. This will repair Windows image files. Once done, restart your computer. After doing these steps, this error should be completely gone and your Windows 11 system will run smoothly again. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows Fix tutorials, and comment below which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.